Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that beautifully captures the essence of fall. If you're looking to add a warm, inviting touch to your home this season, you're in for a treat. We're showcasing the best fall flower arrangements with a vase, the TORONTOKYO artificial fall flowers with metal pot. First up, let's talk about what makes this arrangement stand out. The TORONTOKYO design features a stunning combination of faux silk flowers, including bright peonies, rich maple leaves, and charming pumpkins. The colors, warm oranges, yellows, and earthy tones, perfectly encapsulate the autumn harvest theme. It's a delightful centerpiece that not only looks stunning but also sets the mood for cozy gatherings and festive occasions. One of the highlights of this arrangement is the rustic metal pot that it comes with. Measuring about 7.4 inches in height, this pot provides a sturdy and stylish base for the beautiful blooms. It's easy to assemble. Simply place the flowers in the pot and adjust them to create your desired look. This simplicity means you can have a gorgeous display in just a few moments, whether you're decorating for a holiday dinner or just want to brighten up your everyday space. What's particularly impressive about these artificial flowers is their realistic design. Each flower and leaf is meticulously crafted, capturing the intricate details and textures of real blooms. Unlike real flowers that wilt and require constant care, these artificial arrangements maintain their beauty throughout the season and beyond. This low-maintenance quality means you can enjoy a stunning display without the hassle of watering or worrying about sunlight. Versatility is key. The TORONTOKYO fall flower arrangement is perfect for various settings. Whether you place it in your living room to create a cozy atmosphere, on your dining table for holiday gatherings, or even on your office desk to bring some autumn cheer to your work environment, it seamlessly fits in anywhere. It can also make for a thoughtful gift for friends and family, bringing a touch of seasonal joy to their homes. In conclusion, if you're looking for a hassle-free way to decorate your home for the fall season, the TORONTOKYO artificial fall flowers with metal pot is definitely worth considering. With its beautiful design, realistic flowers, and low maintenance requirements, it's the ideal centerpiece for any fall occasion. Plus, at a price of just $19.94, it's an affordable option to elevate your home decor. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more product showcases and reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy decorating, and see you next time.